In divulging Twitter 2.0, Elon Musk as a result pushed Doge cost by around 120% in the span of 48 hours, as per CoinMarketCap. Marked as the everything application, Twitter 2.0 new highlights incorporate long structure tweets, the relaunch of blue-checked installments, and encoded DMs. A Dogecoin mix with Twitter could keep the image coin pertinent. Dogecoin used to be the best performing crypto inside the main 10 and the third best performing inside the 100, behind FTM and Connection. Our Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2032 is getting down to business wonderfully, and that is something to be thankful for. We really want a greater amount of these cost spikes, not only for Doge. Toward the beginning of November, the image coin flooded 8%, when the very rich person showed the reason to buy Twitter at a $54.20 share cost. Following the Twitter send-off, Doge's cost flooded 40% to $0.081, particularly when Mansion Wang, a tech powerhouse, indicated working with Twitter to model a crypto wallet. Wang was, nonetheless, not satisfactory on which digital forms of money Twitter would uphold. Dogecoin is a decentralized computerized cash in view of distributed innovation, permitting clients to move cash on the web. Strangely, the Doge web image prompted the production of Dogecoin. The relationship with Elon Musk has persistently determined the progress of the coin. In a new tweet, Elon Musk reported as further help for the image coin. This Dogecoin value expectation will resemble a light in a passage. Dogecoin has ended up being a hugely beneficial interest temporarily. Speculative wagers and market feeling are logical, not solid bases for long-haul ventures, which ought to be founded on the coin's essentials. Informal investors on his Twitter have utilized his tweets to check their entrance into the market. In June, when Elon endeavored to drop the Twitter bargain by referring to questionable Twitter client figures, Doge responded by tumbling to as low as 5 cents. Indeed, that is past now as Elon Musk tricked most non-believers by obtaining Twitter. Doge past value investigation. Dogecoin is struggling with finding other digital currencies regarding reception. The Doge has encountered a value diminishing of around 13.8% during the previous week. The cache has been showing unsafe outlining sections over the past few days. Albeit the coin might have strong essentials, we don't really accept that it will be an effective resource in the short run. The expense of one Dogecoin, K9, has dropped by 53,000.006% throughout the span of the previous month, which is identical to a stunning deficiency of $0.079 with regards to its ongoing worth. This surprising drop shows that the cache is presently in a plunge, which demonstrates that there might be major areas of strength for a chance for those hoping to make a quick speculation. The cost has changed between a base normal cost of 19 cents and a most extreme typical cost of 19 cents. Throughout the past 90 days. The cost change throughout recent days is about 63.00%. During the previous month, the typical cost of Dogecoin has gone from its most noteworthy mark of around $0.09187 to its absolute bottom of roughly $0.06695. As of now, the worth of Dogecoin has diminished by 88% from its ATH in 2021. Dogecoin specialized examination. Late Dogecoin cost developments show an upswing as the memecoin has acquired by north of 16% in the previous month. Temporarily, the Dogecoin cost has been exchanging a reach somewhere in the range of $0.08024 and $0.08205, with help found at $0.075 and obstruction at 10 cents. According to a specialized viewpoint, the medium-term standpoint for Dogecoin is bullish. The week-after-week relative strength record RSI is sitting solidly in the overbought zone, demonstrating that purchasers have been pushing the cost higher. The 20-week basic moving normal has crossed over the 50-week MAMA, a bullish sign. The MACD histogram shows areas of strength for uniqueness, while stochastic oscillator demonstrates an unavoidable pullback could be not too far off. On the off chance that the cost falls back, a decent help level could be found at $0.075. Dogecoin's cost is exchanging over the 200-day moving normal, while the 50-day moving normal is going vertical, demonstrating bullish force. The cost has likewise made more promising low points as of late and tried the $0.08200 obstruction level on a few events. A break over the 10 cents level could prompt a further meeting in Dogecoin, as merchants hope to benefit from the image coin's great increases. On the other hand, on the off chance that the cost falls back underneath the 8 cents support level, a pullback could be inevitable. Taking a gander at the ongoing Dogecoin cost examination, Dogecoin has framed a diving design on the 4-hour graph after a minor pullback and a time of union. This recommends that a further downfall may be coming up for Dogecoin. For merchants, long positions could be started over the $0.08200 obstruction level, with stop misfortunes set underneath the $0.0750 support level. An objective of 10 cents could be set for those going into a long position. Then again, short positions could be started underneath the $0.08200 support level, with a stop misfortune over the $0.0900 opposition level and an objective of $0.0750. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as indicated by the Dogecoin cost estimate for 2023. We expect a bullish cost activity, and the greatest expected cost is 14 cents. Dogecoin crypto is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 11 cents, while the base cost estimate is supposed to be 11 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. Our Doge cost forecast for 2024 expects Dogecoin cost to arrive at least 16 cents. And a limit of 19 cents. The typical exchanging cost is supposed to be 17 cents over time. Dogecoin value expectation 2025 as indicated by the Dogecoin cost conjecture for 2026. Doge is supposed to exchange at a most extreme cost of 28 cents and a typical cost of 24 cents, with a base cost of 24 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026 out of 2026. Our Dogecoin cost figure is Dogecoin to arrive at the most reduced conceivable degree of 34 cents. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at the most extreme cost of 41 cents, with a typical estimate cost of 35 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027 of every 2027. Our Dogecoin cost figure anticipates that the Dogecoin digital money should arrive at the very least cost of 47 cents, with a normal estimated cost of 49 cents and a greatest cost of 58 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028 as indicated by the Dogecoin cost estimate for 2028. Doge is projected to achieve a greatest worth of 84 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 74 cents before the year's end. The computerized money might exchange at any rate worth of $0.2. Dogecoin value expectation 2029 as per Doge cost forecast for 2029. Doge digital currency could possibly achieve a greatest cost of $1.27. The memecoin is likewise projected to exchange at the very least worth of $1.06 and a typical estimate cost of $1.10. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. Our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2030 is Dogecoin to progress forward with a bullish energy. The digital currency is supposed to exchange at a greatest worth of $1.81 and a typical gauge cost of $1.60. Dogecoin could encounter its most reduced conceivable exchanging cost at $1.56 too. Dogecoin value expectation 2031 as indicated by the